Hi, and in this video, I'm going to share with you a powerful phrase that'll help you decide if you can trust a man or not. Hi there, Matt Shaffer, your connection, empowerment, and relationship coach, here to share with you a really powerful mantra that you'll be able to use to decide if a man that you're seeing or a man that you're in a relationship with is someone that you should trust and go deeper with or not. And before I share this phrase with you, take a second, hit that little subscribe button, and don't forget to click the link in the comments or caption for an awesome training I've created just for you. Now, I'm excited to share this phrase with you because it's something that I use with my clients, my students, and the women in my life. And it's a really great guiding principle as you're getting to know a guy, okay? And it goes like this: when someone shows you who they are, believe them. And now think about how would that apply to relationship, right? Because throughout relationship, as we're getting to know a man, he's going to be saying a lot of things to us, right? He's going to be talking to us and he's going to be expressing a lot of things verbally. And I'm not saying that that's not truthful. I'm not saying that that's not a type of truth, but there's often a deeper truth that a man is expressing to you, and that is the truth of his actions. It's the truth of how he's showing up to you and his behavior. Is he consistent? How is he showing up in the way that he is acting towards you? That's him truly showing who he is. That's showing what his character is, and that's showing what his true feelings are towards you. And think about this. You want there to be alignment and congruency between a man's words and his actions. And if there isn't alignment, if he's saying one thing and doing another, it's his actions that are showing you how he truly feels. It's his actions that are showing you what his true thoughts are, what his true intentions are, what his true character is. For example, if a man is telling you that he loves you and that he cares about you and he wants to be with you, but his actions are different. He's not making time to see you. He's not making you a priority. He's flaking out on commitments he's made with you. Then there's an incongruence there. There's a lack of alignment there. And when there is that gap, you always want to trust his actions because they are the deeper expression of his truth and how he feels about you. So as you're getting to know somebody, as you're in the process of getting into relationship or dating men out there in the world, I want you to ask yourself, who is he showing himself to be? If he's showing himself to be through his actions, someone that doesn't make you feel good about yourself, do you have the courage to believe him? Because if he's telling you one thing and doing or acting a different way, don't fool yourself into believing his words just because the truth may hurt a little bit. Allow yourself to believe who he is by the way that he is showing up and the way he's acting towards you, and then make decisions in alignment with that. Because guys can say a lot of different things, right? But the deeper truth of who they are and how they feel about you is in how they act towards you. So I hope this resonated with you. If it did, take a second, hit that little subscribe button, and don't forget to click the link in the comments or caption for another great training that I've created just for you. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you next time on my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.